In this video, I'm going to be going over the anatomy of a high-ticket affiliate marketing campaign. You guys are going to want to stick around all the way to the end of this video to make sure you guys catch all of my tips and tricks so that when you guys go to set up your campaigns, you guys are successful. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Jamar Jones, and this is Future Affiliate Pro. I created this channel to provide you guys with actionable content and a warm community so that you guys can go out and create time, location, and financial freedom for yourself. If you guys want to keep seeing content just like this video today, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I come out with new videos. So let's transition over to my whiteboard so I can sketch out this campaign for you. So the number one purpose of this building out this campaign is, honestly, you just want to be able to break even on your advertising. You can do this completely with free traffic strategies, which I'll highlight in the beginning, but if you want to get surefire targeted traffic, you're going to have to use paid traffic. And if you're using paid traffic, you're going to want to set it up, or you're going to want to choose an offer that you'll be able to recoup or break even on your ad spend, and then you'll be able to increase your conversions and increase your commissions on the back end. So the three steps that you're going to have to worry about are traffic, your funnel, and also the offer, right? So you're going to have your traffic. We're going to build out the funnel, and here we'll have the offer. Okay? So, like I said, traffic is going to be something that you're going to want to look at as you're going to have to choose your main source of traffic. Are you going to go the paid route? The paid route, you want to make sure that you do a lot of testing beforehand. You test your funnels. You make sure the offer is converting really, really well. So with traffic, you're going to have your free, and you're also going to have your paid, right? So with free traffic, it could mostly hovers around social media traffic, right? So that could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We'll do Twitter, Snapchat, so TikTok, your blog. You could have LinkedIn, and you can also use your email list if you have one. And everybody should be building, you guys should be building your email list at all times. And then with paid, you are going to be either using like Google AdWords. You can also use YouTube ads, which is part of Google, right? So YouTube ads. You can also use Facebook ads, or you can do just solo and email traffic. So solo ads. So no matter what method you choose on doing, make sure you stick to that one method, right? If it's free strategy and you're using Instagram to drive your traffic, make sure you build up your followers and you're able to funnel them into this funnel that we're about to build out. But if you're doing paid advertising, just stick with one, right? Don't do from one and then bounce to another. Just my advice to you guys is to just get good at one form of traffic first. And then once you master one form, you can then transition into other forms of traffic to access your traffic from different locations. So now that we got the traffic portion situated, we're going to now build out our funnel. And the funnel is basically going to start like this. So you're going to have an opt-in, right? You're going to have an opt-in with a landing page. It's also called the lead capture page. So the lead capture page is to capture the lead, right? So that you can follow up with them. If they don't go all the way through the funnel to the offer, you can actually follow up with them through emails and try to bring them back, put the offer back in front of them so that you can actually get the conversion. So here you can see you're capturing their email address so that you can follow up with them, and you can also use their email to promote additional offers that you may be an affiliate for in the future. You should always, always, always be building your email list because the money is in the list, right? So the next part of this funnel is you're going to come to a bridge page. And all the bridge page is supposed to do, and I highly, highly, highly recommend that you create a video yourself talking about the product, how the product has benefited you, and what the person can expect when they go to the landing page, right? That's all this page is supposed to be for. And you're going to have a call to action within this page, within this bridge page, so that people know there's only one thing that you want them to do, and that's to click the link and you're sending them over to the product page or the sales page, right? So the next page, like I said, is the product. We'll do product is the product page or sales. And this is going to be a page that you're sending them to that's already optimized. So if you can get them to this point, your chances of your conversions are actually going to go a lot higher. So here, what you'll notice is, and what you're looking for in high ticket affiliate marketing campaigns is when you're doing these campaigns and promoting these products, you're going to want to have a $5 to $15 or $20 tripwire offer, right? So we'll write tripwire. So this tripwire offer, all it's doing is it's getting people through the front door. It's getting them to pull their card out, make a purchase, and see what all of the hype is about, right? And it also gets them into the ecosystem of the product that you're promoting. And that's where high ticket affiliate marketing is really, really powerful, because that tripwire, $5 to $15, is enough, right? Because we said that our number one reason is to break even. Right. Break even on our advertising. So on ad spend. Spend. We want to break even on our ad spend. And that's where the tripwire comes in. So that $5, $7, $10 that you're getting in commissions is enough to acquire the lead and get them into the ecosystem of your high ticket offer, right? So what typically happens is once they trigger the tripwire, a lot of times these high ticket programs, since they're already in the buying mood, they'll have an upsell, and that upsell may be an ebook, an additional course, but this particular it's to help you. They'll also give you a discount, right? So sometimes it'll be a video. They're gonna say, hey, we're gonna discount you on such and such products, and this is before, and they'll also send you to a thank you. So a thank you page, which will then say, thanks for your purchase, check your email inbox, you're going to be having information, and let's send you over to the website so you can check out the program that you're interested in, that you just purchased in, right? And that is now, this person is now in the ecosystem, right? And within this ecosystem, most of the good high ticket programs, they will have a whole slew of products that they're going to be able to promote to your lead, the one that you brought to them. And since they're tagged under your affiliate ID, everything they purchase from here on out, they'll be cookied to you, they'll be tagged to you. So if they purchase anything such as monthly recurring revenue products, So monthly recurring revenue products, any other of their high ticket products. Also, they might have one-on-one coaching. So one-on-one coaching, and then they might do a mastermind once or twice a year, which is real high ticket, right? It's usually $5 to $10 or more $1,000, and depending on the commission structure, you may be getting 50% of that, right? You could get a $5,000 commission. And that's where the value comes in this, right? They talk about a value ladder, right? So you get them in on the tripwire, you get them started up this value ladder. And as they want to invest in themselves and invest in their business and keep growing their business and acquiring more information, changing their subconscious, basically trying to get to the next level, they're going to skip and they're going to get these products until they get to like the mastermind where they want to really take their business and explode it. And that's where your commissions on the back end explode as well, because they keep going up this value ladder and your commissions for each of those leads keeps going up and up and up, right? So what if they don't? What if your lead goes through and they stop here at the sales page and they decide, it's not really for me? Well, remember, we captured their email. So now we're going to send them with our autoresponder. We're going to send them back to the sales page, right? So every email, you could do it every day, every other day, and you could have a long email series, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You can email them frequently saying, hey, you were offered this opportunity to this product that could change your life, or this product or service that you were interested in at one time, and I'm putting it in front of you again just to see if you're still interested. So here's all of these emails, and you'll be able to send them email as long as they're subscribed to your email list. You'll be able to send them as many emails as it takes for them to make the purchase, right? So this is basically it. This is the sketched out version of a high converting, high ticket affiliate marketing campaign. You have your traffic funnel and your offer. Each one of those, you're going to decide how you want to set it up. You're going to have your opt-in page. You're going to have your bridge page with a call to action. Put yourself on video. I know a lot of people don't want to do it, but honestly, when you put yourself on video, people are going to connect with the product when they're hearing it from somebody live on camera saying how the product benefited them and what they can expect if they were to go on to the next page and make a purchase, right? You're just trying to push them down the road enough for them to see how much benefit they're going to get from the product. So as you push them down and you push them into the ecosystem of this high converting offer, this offer that's going to change their lives, once they're in that ecosystem, you've done all the work. The company now takes over everything, the back end, the customer service, the follow-ups, the coaching, the products, and everything. You've done your job. Your job is to get them into the funnel, get them through the tripwire, and get them into the ecosystem. Once you do that, that's pretty much it. You can then nurture your relationship with your email lead from here on out, because they're forever on your email list, right? So make sure you guys continue to email your list. Some people say, well, I don't want to bother them. I don't want to email them every single day. They may unsubscribe. If they unsubscribe, it's okay. It's okay. Then they weren't fully committed to the product or what you had to promote or what you're trying to, the value that you're trying to give to them every single day, right? So just understand that once they're on your list until they unsubscribe. So if they're not unsubscribing and they're just, sometimes they'll look at it, sometimes they'll open your emails, sometimes they won't. And that's perfectly fine. But as long as they're on their list, you can promote to them, and it's free traffic. You pay for it one time, you capture their email lead, and it's your traffic for the life that they're on your list. Okay? I hope that you guys got a lot of value out of this messy sketch that I did for you guys today. If you guys are interested in learning how I learned how to set all of this up, there's going to be a link in the first link in the description down below. It taught me everything I did not know about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online marketing, how to set up funnels properly so that you can convert leads into sales. The link in the description, you're going to land. If you go there, you're going to see it's going to be set up just like I just told you guys in this sketch right here. Why? Because this is what's proven to work. The program that I went through, it's the Legendary Marketer program. It filled all the holes for me. It explained to me exactly how to set up my online business, how to set up funnels, how to run traffic, how to do everything. So if you guys want to learn how to make money online, you guys have got to take the $7. It's $7, and they run you through a business builder course, and it honestly changed my life. And if you guys take the $7 and the 15 days to go through the course, it'll probably change your life too and open your eyes as for what the possibilities are for online marketing. And this particular offer, there are dozens and dozens of high ticket affiliate marketing offers that you guys can promote in just the same exact way. A software version of this is ClickFunnels. I promote ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is set up exactly the same way, where they have a tripwire offer, they have monthly recurring revenue products, their software. They also have higher ticket products. They do coaching, they have masterminds, they have all of that stuff, right? There's lots and lots and lots of companies out there that you guys can promote that have this structure, and trust me, it's great to get your foot wet. I got my feet wet with ClickBank, learning how to set up campaigns and do affiliate marketing with lower ticket items, but it takes the same amount of effort to drive traffic to a high ticket offer as it is to drive traffic to a low ticket offer, right? So that's why I've taken my niche, my make money online niche, and I've really started driving my traffic, and I want to drive all of this traffic towards high ticket products because the products they're quality products, they're proven to convert, and they really are changing people's lives. So again, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have already been setting up your funnels this way. Let me know if you guys learned something new in this video. If you're new to the channel and you made it to the end of this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.